My name is Eric Mooney with SkipperBud's, and we're going to walk through a 2023 WorldCat 260 center console. This boat's equipped with twin Mercury 200 horsepower outboards. And walking back to the transom, you can see this nice, substantial boarding platform and boarding ladder. You can see how it's pretty wide and easy access into the cockpit of the boat. That's because the seat actually just folds into place. So if you're swimming, anchored out, fishing even, you can fold that flat and access the back of the boat pretty easy, or you can close it and then open up the seating here. And on each side of the seat, there is a fish box and a live well on this side. And underneath there's access to batteries, pumps, switches. Underneath that helm, there's a nice drawer for tackle, a Yeti cooler. And coming up to the helm, there's a nice double wide helm seat with bolsters on each side, armrests. Then you have your controls, your Mercury data screen, and then two Garmin displays for navigation, and then digital switching for lights, different systems on the boat. There's rod holder storage on each side. And then this is actually a pretty cool feature. There's 4 rod holder places on each side of the console. Bow seating. What's nice about the WorldCats and catamarans in general is that the beam of the boat extends all the way almost up to the bow, so you have that wide space, wide seating throughout the entire boat. Up here there's bolsters that swing around so you can lounge facing forward, or tuck them away when you're fishing. You have more space to move about the boat. You can see how it's set up on that side. And underneath each side, move this out of the way. Additional fish box, cooler. It's both self-draining on each side. Another nice feature is this centerpiece folds out, so you can use it as a casting platform when you're fishing. Just more, easy access up in the bow area. So run real quick in the center. Nice, easy access for storage. You could put a porta potty in here. Then there's your switching for battery switches, fuses. Again, my name is Eric Mooney. If you have any additional questions about this boat or any other WorldCat model that we offer, please do not hesitate to reach out.